Hey, so we got the Microblock Spaceman set. This set is ages 14 and up, and 1,008 pieces. Should take a while because it's small blocks and they're very difficult. And the size is displayed on the side, but it's not in inches, it's in centimeters. So I don't know how many inches it is. It is 11.7 inches tall and 7.6 centimeters long. So I think that's probably, if I had to guess, around 4 inches tall and 2 inches long, if I had to guess. And now let's open the box. Okay, instructions, bags. In the box, we don't need it. And the bags are not numbered. That is, what is this? So here is 1,000 of these little tiny things. Before I start the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy this video.
Here's the finished model. This one took me quite some time, as it was a difficult build. I put a lot of pieces in the wrong spot, so I had to take out the pieces and restart. Well, not restart, just put the piece in the right spot. Sometimes there would be a little section I'd have to restart and put that all in the right spot. So it was not easy. The box did not tell me it came with an LED light set. So there is an LED light set in the helmet. But the button is in there and it's very small. And your finger cannot fit through the hole. So I gotta have a small thing like an extra piece. And just put it in there and press the button. There are 3 settings. One setting is the flashing lights. The second one is slower flashing lights. And the third is just a normal light. I'd recommend not leaving it on very often because if the batteries die, they're the little circle batteries. I don't know what they're called, but I've never seen them. And you'd have to take half the head apart just to put the batteries in, so that would be very annoying. So I'd recommend having them on every once in a while, but don't leave it on for a long period of time. Overall, very nice set. And it does not stand up straight, as you can see there. Legs are in front, so it sits on a shelf, just as a decoration like that. Use my hand as a shelf. And it's very nice. That's it for today's video. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time with some more stuff that I got for my birthday. And I'll post a YouTube short on what's coming next very soon. So make sure you have the notification bell on for when I upload that and you can know what I'm doing. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.